So in this video, we're going to look at how to create a VPC using the wizard. So I'm going to click on VPC, click on Start VPC Wizard, and we're going to have a public subnet and a private subnet. So we're going to click on VPC with public and private subnet, and in this case we'll select the select button and let's leave the cider block as 10.0.0/16, and we're going to give it a name, my VPC. And you can see here it will create a public subnet with this cider block and a private subnet with this cider block. And one more thing is, for the NAT gateway we need a elastic IP, so we'll have to create a elastic IP. So I'm going to go to my EC2 section, create on select elastic IPs, click on allocate new address and click on allocate. So we're going to copy this IP address and paste it over here, or we don't have to paste it. When we select or when we highlight the text box, it will show up here and we select that. Enable DNS host name, click yes, leave it yes, and then we'll click on create VPC. So this will create a public and a private subnet for us. And one more thing we'll have to do once it creates the public subnet is we'll have to auto assign public IP option so that we can log into our public subnet. So once it's created, we'll look at that. So now our VPC has been created with subnets, and there's also a route table created for our VPC. In fact, two. One is for the private subnet, which is the main route table, and then we have one for the public subnet. And here are the two subnets that are created. And when you go to public subnet, in the subnet actions, click on modify auto assign public IP and then click on enable and then click on save. So what this will do is when you launch an instance, it will give us a public IP. If you don't select this option and you launch an instance in your public subnet, it will not give you a public IP. So this is it. Like, this is how you create a VPC using the wizard.